So I had the P0305 code. That was a misfire in cylinder 1. What I did was to test that. I scanned it with my scanner. That's the code it gave me. I took the injector coil and I swapped it to cylinder 1 in the engine bay, and then I reset it, ran it again, and now I'm getting a code P0301, which is now misfire at cylinder 1. So basically this tells me that it's the ignition coil here. So I ordered a replacement here on Amazon. This is the one I got, the Bosch, part number 0221504470. This is the one that's apparently made in Slovenia. So I'll give this one a try. The only thing I noticed, the box was a little bit dented up, which is, normal, but this security seal was cut open, so I don't know why that was. This is what the coil looks like. Alright, this is the part number on it here. And let me pull my old one and then we'll compare it to this one. So here we are at the car. Here's the new coil in hand. Alright, so I just popped the cover off. This is N52 motor, the 530. This is a 2007 530. So this is the cover. You just pop it off. It's got these little screws. You just turn them halfway. They basically lock in like that. Alright, so once the cover is off, this is the coil that was misfiring. Originally it was back here, cylinder 5. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the hardest one to get to in the back. You got to remove all that to get to it normally. So I pulled this one from 5, put it in 1, and I'm getting a misfire at cylinder 1. So it's that's basically telling me that it's the ignition coil. Let's pull this one out, unhook that. Alright, this is my old one here. This is also Bosch. This one doesn't say where it's made, but same part number. Alright, that's the new coil in. Plug in, crimp it down. Alright, this is the old one. I think the date is different on this actually. Where is it here? 12/12/03. So I think it's 2012. Anyway, let's start the car and see if it fixes the problem. Alright, no more check engine light. There we go. Easy fix.